Hi, it's Tom Kemley, the President and CEO of Columbia Bank, and I'm here with Doug Strike of the Christian Healthcare Center. And Doug, it's good to see you again. Doug, I thought I'd start by asking you, how's everything going at the Healthcare Center? How have you guys been holding up through the pandemic? It's been a tough year, I know 2020 was, and we're all looking forward to 2021. But how have you been, and how's everything going at the Healthcare Center?
Sure. Thank you, Tom. Great to be with you. So throughout this COVID-19 pandemic, Christian Healthcare Center has really been focused on prioritizing the health and safety of our residents, our patients, and our team members. We continue to adhere and follow all the state and federal guidelines and recommendations that continue to come out and change. And we're rapidly implementing changes in regulations that come from the CDC and the New Jersey Department of Health especially. As we continue to fight COVID, we're blessed by the generosity of so many supporters in the community, and especially you and our friends at Columbia Bank Foundation. This generous grant that you're giving us will enable Christian Healthcare Center to continue meeting the many needs of the pandemic, especially including making sure that the vaccine is provided widely to those we serve and those we work alongside. From ensuring adequate levels of PPE, upgrading equipment to maximize sanitation and airflow, heightening how frequently we're disinfecting, and increasingly COVID testing of our staff. These are all measures that help us to continue delivering effective protection to our residents and patients, and of course our healthcare heroes that work here. As I mentioned, the vaccine that distribution and administration that you've helped us with so significantly has been widely received by those we care for as well as those we work alongside. So your Columbia Bank Foundation's commitment to our mission with the approval and distribution of this most recent grant has supported all of these efforts and more, and we are just so very grateful.
Well, Doug, we're thrilled to have been able to do a little part of the important work you're doing, and I want to congratulate you on all the success you've had. It's been amazing, and I know the challenges have just keep coming at you. So, when we heard about the request to assist with the vaccine, it was a proverbial no-brainer for us. And our foundation really worked hard this past year with so many people in need, so many nonprofit organizations. Early in the beginning of the pandemic, we made a decision to provide $600,000 in a special grant to various nonprofits and charities throughout the state of New Jersey, and most of that was, as we know, people in terrible need, terrible financial discourse, and so we were thrilled to do those donations. And then as we got near the end of the year, the pandemic just continued to hurt so many organizations. So when we saw the request to assist with vaccination, it was a real important initiative for us. So um, our our relationship really made it quite an easy decision for our foundation board to jump in and continue to help you do the great work you're doing. And we're happy to help you, and we certainly appreciate all you've accomplished at the healthcare center. It's just been a remarkable year. Probably not the year you expected, but it's been remarkable the way you've handled it.
Thank you. Well, it's because of many community partners like the Columbia Bank Foundation, who provided just unwavering support, especially during this pandemic, that we're able to continue on in our mission toward health, healing, and wellness. And 2020 is a year we are glad to put behind us, but with your support and getting all those vaccines in the arms of those we serve and work alongside, we're moving forward into 2021 and looking forward to it being a better year and looking forward to the end of this pandemic.
Yeah. And there's so many relationships our organizations have enjoyed through the years. The healthcare center with their relationship with Atlantic Stewardship Bank and with Columbia Bank. I think we were at the gala a few years ago. You were showing some photos of your former directors and your former benefactors, and I felt like it was Old Home Week. I was looking at picture after picture of people we've known through the years. affiliated with Atlantic Stewardship, with Columbia Bank, and with the Healthcare Center. So our tradition goes way back. And I mentioned, your request for some assistance was quite easy to make a decision. And we've been able to support you through the years. And I'll make the promise right now that we will continue to support your efforts. We just appreciate everything you've done. We appreciate your entire organization, your residents, who are many of our friends. So it's been a great relationship, and we're proud of what you've accomplished. We really are. Even though we may be only helping a little on the financial side, we're proud to just be affiliated. It's been a great relationship.
Well, thank you, Tom. And I'm glad you mentioned that history, the heritage of great support that we've had from Columbia Bank and Atlantic Stewardship Bank previously. And when we saw those two great institutions come together as one, it was a 1 + 1 = 3 for many, and certainly for ourselves included. And what a great relationship that's been, and the tithing program and the ongoing support. We've just seen how for both institutions as supporting us, whether it's been lending to help us in our expansion in the community and supporting us with needs that we currently have, such as getting these vaccines out to those we serve and work alongside. We just couldn't be more appreciative that the Columbia Bank Foundation has made the decision to continue carrying the torch in support of so many wonderful community-based organizations. And I pledge to you that we will continue to use your support wisely and well, and know that you and the team behind you and the hard work you're doing and the great work that you're doing in the community make a real tremendous difference in the lives of so many. And we're very grateful. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you, Doug. Those are nice words, and we do appreciate it. Our tagline is "Count on Columbia," and as it relates to your relationship with us, you can count on us. It's more than just words. It really means a lot to us that we have our great partnership. So it's good to see you again, and wish you all the luck. And good luck with your vaccination, with your continuing care for all your residents and families. I know what kind of work you guys do and put into that, and believe me, it shows. It's been quite a success story. So congratulations.
Thank you, Tom, and please bring our thanks to the Columbia Bank team. We're very grateful. Thank you so much. God bless.